Welcome to your French class. Our today's topic is les pronoms relatifs composés. Okay, as in English, you know that many of the prepositions are used at the end of the statement. Like, this is the book I was looking for. Here, for I have used at the end. Or this is the pen I was writing my letter with. So with I have used at the end of the statement. But it is not the same in French. We do not use the preposition at the end of the statement. Instead, we use it in between. Okay, in between two sentences. And when you are using which word, which, English word which, then you need to use quel. But quel word cannot be used in the middle of the statement. Unless or until you are asking a question, you cannot use quel in between. If you are asking a question, then you can start your statement with quel. Okay, if you are using quel for which word, for which, 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 then you need to use it with the definite article, means lequel. Okay, for feminine laquelle, and for plural, so on, lesquels for masculine plural and lesquels for feminine plural. Here we are focusing on some prepositions that are always used with lequel while giving the meaning of in which, with which, avec, lequel, with which, sans lequel, without which, par lequel, by which, pour lequel, for which, dans lequel, in which, chez lequel or sur lequel, on which, and so on. And here again we have some preposition. À côté de, en face de, près de means the prepositions that are having de at the end, they will always be used with lequel, and the different cases according to the masculine, feminine and plural. Like here we have the combinations when de is used with le. Okay, when de is used with le for masculine, it becomes duquel. When de is used with la, it remains de laquelle. Okay, for plural it becomes dequel for masculine plural and dequel for feminine plural. Okay, again we have some cases auquel, a and le becomes o. Okay, always remember this a plus le becomes o. Okay, so here we are doing the same. It will become auquel for masculine singular cases, in which, to which, at which. Laquelle, here you need to leave some gap between and laquelle. Laquelle will be written all together and you need to leave some gap between and laquelle. Laquelle for feminine singulars, auquel, the complete word will be written together. For masculine plural cases, auquel for feminine plural cases. Okay, and the, as I have already explained, the is used for of and from. Duquel for masculine singular cases, because again the plus le becomes du. Okay, so duquel. Duquel for masculine singular cases. De laquelle, again you need to leave some gap here. De laquelle. Okay, for feminine singular cases, dequel for masculine plural. Dequel, here I have doubled the letter L and I have added S. Dequel, you need not to leave now gap here. Okay, in both the plural cases. For all the feminine plural cases. Now let's have a look on some sentences and the usages, how we need to use it in between the sentences. Now let's take the first statement, first example. C'est le stylo dash j'ai écrit. This is the pen dash I wrote. So if in English I need to complete this statement, I'll complete it like, this is the pen I wrote with, or this is the pen with which I wrote. So first I need to write the preposition with. How to write with? Avec. Okay, now I need to write here with which word, for which you cannot use quel independently. You need to merge it with the definite article, and because here we are talking about a masculine thing, so we'll write lequel. Okay, here you need to leave some gap. C'est le stylo avec lequel j'ai écrit. This is the pen with which I wrote. Now the second one. C'est une bonne entreprise dash il travaille. This is a good company dash he works, in which he, or for which he works. Okay, so for you need to write pour. For which again you cannot write quel independently. We need to check the word we are talking about is feminine or masculine. So bonne entreprise. Entreprise is feminine. Okay. So we'll write laquelle. Okay. I'm leaving some gap here, but I'm not leaving any gap here. Okay. Laquelle will be written together. C'est une bonne entreprise pour laquelle il travaille. This is a good company for which he works or he is working. Now the next one. C'est la ville dash mes parents sont nés. This is the city. Now either I can say where, I can use où also, but here I am using relative composé with the preposition. So I'll write a preposition first. C'est la ville. So I'll say in which. Okay, for in I'll write dans, and for which I need to check the word I'm talking is feminine or masculine. Here it is feminine. Okay, so I'll write laquelle. Okay, this is the city in which my parents were born. Now the next one. L'église à dash j'habite est magnifique. The church dash I live is magnificent. Now the church near which I live, okay, so à côté de, now église is feminine, so I'll write de laquelle. You need to leave some gap between de and laquelle here. Okay. Now the next one. Voici la route dash je passe chaque matin. Here is the route, or this is the route dash I pass every morning. So I need to use a preposition here and which word. So I'll say this is the route by which I pass every morning. So for saying by, I need to write par, and now I'll see for the word I'm going to use lequel is masculine or feminine. Here it is feminine, so I'll write laquelle. Okay, voici la route par laquelle je passe chaque matin. This is the route, here is the route by which I pass every morning. Now here we have some special cases, some verbs we are having which are used with the particular prepositions. Okay, preposition a or de. Like avoir besoin de. Okay, means to need of something, to have need of something. Parler à, talking to or talking about. Sometimes we say talking about, then it becomes parler de. Okay, téléphoner à, to telephone to, make a telephone to someone. Ressembler à means to resemble to. Écrire à, to write to. Okay, I'm writing to my friend, like that. Now let's take the first statement. L'ami dash je viens de téléphoner est malade. The friend dash I just call to. Okay, téléphoner à quelqu'un. We always say téléphoner à. So here even I have written téléphoner à. This preposition is always used with téléphoner verb. Est malade, is ill. So I'll use preposition a and the case according to the word that I am referring to. I'm talking about the friend, so friend is feminine here, so I will write laquelle. Okay, l'ami à laquelle je viens de téléphoner est malade. The friend I just called to is ill. Okay, now the next one. Les amis dash tu écris seront contents. The friends dash you are writing to. Okay, here even I have mentioned écrire à quelqu'un. Okay, writing to someone. Tu écris seront contents. You are writing to will be happy. So again, because it is écrire à, so we'll take the combination of à. Here we are talking about number of friends and they are given in masculine plural form, so we'll write auquel. Okay, now the next one. Les clés dash tu as besoin sont dans ma poche. The keys dash you need of, okay, are in my pocket. Now avoir besoin de, I have mentioned it here. to need of something. So we'll take the case of the preposition, and because clay is feminine and it is given here in plural form, so we'll write de quel. Okay, les clés desquelles tu as besoin sont dans ma poche. The keys you need of are in my pocket. Qui sont les femmes dash tu parlais? Who are the ladies dash you were talking to? Okay, and sometimes even we say you are talking about. Okay, so qui sont les femmes dash tu parlais? Who are the ladies dash you were talking to? So again, parler à quelqu'un. So we'll take, because feminine case is given and given in its plural form, so I will write auquel. Okay, if you see the literal meaning, actually if you translate it word to word, then it might give you the sense of to which. Better to learn it the way I have mentioned here. Avoir besoin de, parler or téléphoner. These are a few verbs which you will find commonly written with the prepositions. Okay, parler à quelqu'un, téléphoner à quelqu'un, or ressembler à, or écrire à. Okay, so this was all about les pronoms relatifs composés. If you need to ask anything more about it, do ask me. Thank you.